got a delivery from Wish. And I just wanted to see if their stuff was actually even worth buying. So I just bought a few items and I wanted to show you guys what they were. Firstly, of course, the stuff comes from China, but I think that they actually deliver it to a place in the US because the package had a US address on it. And then I got a bunch of little packets inside of that packet. So they probably just deliver it to one location and then distribute it from there, which is something I didn't know about Wish. So let's see what's in the first package. I got some really cheap stuff like earrings and stuff because I just don't know that I want to really spend my money on Wish. I just wanted to see if it was worth the money. So the first thing that oh, these are cute. I bought these earrings, and I usually buy earrings, button earrings with, because I have short hair, and I like that the little stick that goes in your ear is straight. The post is straight in the middle, which I love because that centers your earrings. Oh, so these were cute. These were I think $1, but these are actually really cute. Okay, surprised and pleasantly surprised with that. All right, then I got some nail stuff. Don't know why. I don't use these things, but I just decided. I usually, in the past, I have used liquid latex around my nails as I'm doing my nails. But then I saw these things. I'm like, look, I think they were like 60-something cents. Let me just try and see what happens. I mean, I think they're more trouble than they're worth. So even with the liquid latex, I stopped using them. So I'll let you guys know how this works, if it actually sticks on your nail or tears off the nail polish when you're actually using it. I don't know. All right, the next package that came in, what was in there? Probably some more nail stuff. Okay, this was actually a good deal. This was nail glue, and I use this for all of my little jewelry that I put on my nails. And my granddaughter likes to do she likes to make fake nails. I have a little finger, and she decorates them, and she likes to put them on, and she's always letting mine dry out. So these were actually $1 a piece. And that's a good buy because you can't find these for $1 a piece anywhere. So hopefully they work well. We shall see. What's next? I have one more bag from Wish. I don't know if it's more nail stuff or earrings. I don't know. I really didn't want to spend too much money because it could have been complete garbage and I'd have been upset. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, these are super cute. So these are water slide decals, I believe. And so you apply these to the nail and then you put a top coat on it. This is saying that you need to do it with you need to cure it with a lamp, a UV lamp, which I do have, but I don't like gel polish. So I will be trying these. They're all Halloween-y because that's me. I will be trying these without the UV lamp, doing the water slide decal on my nail directly with the gel-like finish and see what happens. All right, so this was my small shipment from Wish. So the items that I got in the 4 pouches that I received were the 3 nail glues. We got the nail art decals. We have really cute, and they're actually like they're like a sturdy resin plastic or something. And finally the nail stuff to cover my nails as I'm doing the polish. And I do have some more stuff coming in from Wish, but like I said, it probably comes in piecemeal. Piecemeal. Oh well. Anyway, so one thing that I will say about the things that I've seen from Wish that my friends have ordered, and obviously with this one, is that their English is definitely their second language because a lot of things end up being misspelled. And so when you read it, it might actually be kind of funny. I just read something a second ago. Now I'm missing it. Pick up the nail protector and stick on your finger, wrapped around the finger. If it's okay, you can paint the nail as you want. When you complete the nail art design, just pick it up. I'm not really sure I'm getting what they're putting down. And then here it is for nail art fainting instead of painting, I guess. So, again, this is really cheap stuff that comes from China. Probably a bunch of knockoff stuff. But I'm not displeased with it. We'll see if this and this reacts properly. And I'm sure these do. It's just nail glue. Like, how can they mess that up? I won't use it for a lot of other things because I don't really know if it's safe. First of all, what's up with that? They're not even full all the way. Literally half full. I hadn't even noticed that. Literally half, like that one's 3/4 full. And this one is half full. Yeah, so that's a ripoff. But we'll see how it works. I guess I did get $1 worth. All right, this is a quick shipment from Wish. Anyway, as I get more, I'll let you guys see what I got. That's crazy. Look, I'm holding it straight. That's half full. All right, guys. Talk to you guys on the next one.